Danke bafethu, njengoba sazi ukuthi transfer window izovulwa nge-1 July but already ama-teams aqalile laphana ukusayina ama-player because amanye ama-player sewasukile kwamanye ama-team bawadedelile bawanika ama-clearance yabo. But-ke so focusa ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but before singena ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ngicela nipresse usubscribe button ukuthi simake sure ukuthi le page leli liyakhula yabo. So ngifuna umcover iplayer lokuqala laphana ngifuna ukucover u-Kaizer Chiefs umhleli Mabuza bafethu. Lo mdlali lona odlala laphana i-left back uke wabizwa laphana u-Kaizer Chiefs wafika watriala nabo noma wadlala isikhashana laphana i-Naturena ejima nabo. Lo mdlali lona u-based-ke Portugal uyi-defender ngempela yabo. So kuthiwa ke-Kaizer Chiefs noma ama-rumors surrounding Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa lo mdlali lona esebizwe back ku-Kaizer Chiefs okubonakalayo ngempela ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngathi izomsigna officially, but we have to wait for his statements e-Kaizer Chiefs because lo mdlali bekhona laphana e-Naturena watrainer ne-Kaizer Chiefs but waphinde wahamba futhi, but naku pre-season njengoba bazoya le Netherlands bayambiza back as things stand on the way izinto ezihamba ngakhona, because kwathiwa wa-impress at that time ne-Kaizer Chiefs first time around yabo. This time around-ke naku bayambiza ku-pre-season camp le abazohamba baye laphana ku-country se-Europe, okubonisayo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyimisele ngalo mdlali nanokuthi iyafuna ukuthi im-ede vele ethimini ukuthi mhlawumbe a-change izinto laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But nayo-ke inkinga-ke bafowethu, uMarco already it has been reported ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imsayinile, but Kaizer Chiefs akakakhiphi i-statement officially, so we still waiting for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ikhiphe leso statement. Nazo ezinye eziphumayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa uMonyane noMarco babawuthula bababuya ku-Orlando Pirates, njengoba kurepotwa kuthiwa basane ne-Pirates basane ne-Kaizer Chiefs from i-Orlando Pirates noma they are linked to i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs akakakhiphi i-statement ukuthi officially basayinile ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke the way kungakhona cause simbonile uMunyane elapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs eNaturena eshuthile nabantu be-Kaizer Chiefs yabo, okubonakalisayo ngempela ukuthi bake bakhuluma noMunyane, but-ke we have to wait for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi announce everything. Once everything is sealed, zonke izinto zilungiswe kahle, kuvele ngempela ukuthi bayasayina ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma abasayini officially yabo, cause ukuthi bayakhuluma ne-Kaizer Chiefs back and forth akusho ukuthi sebasayinile, but-ke silinde i-Kaizer Chiefs cause ngilinka le story lesaka Mabuza noMarco cause uMarco udlala i-left back noMabuza udlala i-left back. Kaizer Chiefs already ino-Cross no-Happy Mashiane laphana ku-left back, so kuzohamba bani kuhlale bani yabo. uDove sebamreleasile, but-ke overall mawubheka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuzohamba bani, ubani ozodlala i-left back if i-left back izoba nabantu abawu-4. Khona nalo mfana lo ku-development obuya ku-DDC naye ubhekiwe ukuthi uzokhompyutha laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. If unama-left back lesiyayi-5, what is the plan ngempela? And then ezinye-ke zithi ama-reports aphuma laphana ku-Soccer Beat athi uMonyane noMarco njengoba are linked to i-Kaizer Chiefs noma efunwa i-Kaizer Chiefs noma bexoxa ne-Kaizer Chiefs, akuyona i-coach emfunayo. Coach Nabi akabafuni labadlali laba according to ama-reports yabo. I-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs nama-scouts we-Kaizer Chiefs aphushayo ukuthi lama-player lawa abuya ku-Orlando Pirates ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs way-2, but ucoach Nabi akanayo ngempela i-link noma akawafuni lama-player lawa ngoba yena unama-player wakhe awabhekile ngempela ukuthi azodlala lapha nemuva. So i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs nama-scouts if bona bafuna ukumsayinela ama-player, uNabi uyohlezi acasha ngalento leyo ukuthi aningisayinelanga ama-player bengiwafuna nivele naletha ama-player wenu, so nginike nesinye isikhathi futhi yabo. But-ke we just have to wait and see sibone ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani nanokuthi finally obani mhlawumbe abangenzeka baba-announce laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ba-reporte ngempela i-Kaizer Chiefs official ukuthi sebayijoinile i-Kaizer Chiefs nabanye bayishiya, cause at the end of the day sonke singa-speculate but i-Kaizer Chiefs okumele ikhiphe i-final statement cause thina asazi ngempela yabo, asazi ngempela. But sobona ukuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs bazozhandlela kanjani izinto, bazomyeka umfana noma uMarco noMunyane asayine even though akusiyona mhlawumbe i-decision ka-coach Nabi ufuna i-management, cause siyazi ukuthi ma-teams ase-South Africa yes i-coach ayinawo ayikho that powerful, bazokusayinela ama-player nje wena by the time ufika as i-coach uzodlala ngalama-player lawa khona already. Ba-expect ukuthi wena usebenzise lama-coach lawa wathole ethimini, hayi ukuthi wena usayinela ama-team wakho. Ba-expecte mani ukuthi usebenzise lama-player lawa asethimini, hayi ukuthi wena uzilethele noma uzisayinele ama-player wakho. Cha, ehambi kanjalo i-South Africa. Kurare ukuthi i-coach i-identify ama-player ewafunayo and then iwalethe ethimini. But-ke yizo-ke lezi ezisematheni ze-Kaizer Chiefs. Kunamanye ama-reports we-Kaizer Chiefs unverified kuthiwa sebasayina i-defender le-SuperSport United, njengoba sibonile Yabona into eyenzakala lapha uKaizer Chiefs angiyazi bafowethu. Khona le defender I think lina 23 or so bala announcile or ama digital platforms ashilo ukuthi selijoin iKaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs kumele ngempela ikhiphe istatement and then sonke sibe clear sazi ukuthi ubani uya kuKaizer Chiefs ubani ungayi kuKaizer Chiefs yabo. But ke nje sibafisela inhlanhla ku transfer market ukuthi basayina abantu abazokwazi ukuchange izinto lapha na ethimini efana neKaizer Chiefs. Danko bafowethu.